Let me tell you the story of the boy and the nuts. A boy was given permission to put his hand in a pitcher to get some nuts. He took a great fistful of nuts that he couldn't draw his hand out again. There he stood, unwilling to give up one single nut and at the same time unable to draw his hand out. Vexed and disappointed, he began to cry. My boy, said his mother, be satisfied with half the nuts you have taken, and you would be able to take your hand out. Perhaps you may have some more nuts some other time. The moral lesson of this short story is do not attempt too much at once. Be satisfied with half of what you have rather than just being stuck that you cannot get your hand out of it. This is something that we see usually in corporate businesses where people are multitasking, doing so much work at once, but then being burned out and unable to see the ease of life and the beauty of being in comfort. Do not engage yourself in so many things that you are unable to extract yourself out, but rather be satisfied with half of what you have with the peace of mind. Have a wonderful day.